So welcome to the next chapter, which is number 2. So in this video, we are going to see the demo for the second chapter. So this is the directory. Okay, here are the different files starting from. This is nothing but whenever you compile, interpret, build your file, then the corresponding .pyc is created. It is like immaterial anyway. So this is the Python file, this is the Excel and directory, and these are the three plots, okay, and the input, and finally the executable file. So just like in the chapter 1, I have shown you the three methods, okay, to generate a plot out of the Excel file. Okay, so just like that, I'm going to start with the first one, which is running using executable. Okay, so I'm just going to close the Excel file. Okay, and so this is what as an you would actually be able to see. Okay, and more adding to that, just this. So executable file is this, so let me run it. So it is taking some time to load the packages. Okay, and now it has opened the Excel file. Okay, you can see that the Excel file is open, and it is going to plot the three charts one by one, if there is no error, of course. So these are the three plots. Okay, so starting with the first one, so you can find that there is a significant difference between the last plot, which we have seen, that is more called as line plot, and here is the scatter plot. The difference between these two is only this much. Between these two types of plots is that all the points are not joined by a line. Okay, so the second one is the thickness plot. Okay, and I will be giving a lot of detail about each of the plots in subsequent videos. Okay, and the third is the uniformity plot. Okay, so this is the method 1. Okay, now let me just close it and let me go to the so this is the first method. Let me come to the second method. So I don't want to save this file, so now let me just press, this is the data type 1, by the way. Okay, and I'm just going to press the run button and wait for a few moments. And it has created the respective plots. So this is the first plot, as I mentioned, second and third. Okay, so this is the second method to generate the plot. The final one is from the code. So let's say if you are into the code editor. Okay, so I will explain the code hierarchy later. So let me just build it. So in this situation, your Excel is open or not, doesn't matter. Okay, so you can actually generate your plots. Okay, so this is the first, second and third. So all the methods are working absolutely fine, so there is no problem in there. Okay, so so these are the three methods. Okay, so thank you and see you in the next video.